Hi everyone! In this video, I documented in detail how I tried affiliate marketing to generate income, which I got from the learning outcomes of other YouTubers. Now I've entered Google Trends to find out traffic by keyword Canva, because I want to promote this product. Choose worldwide, and according to the chart here, Canva is one of the most popular. If you go through the Google search page and use the results of analysis research from keywords everywhere, the Canva trend has increased significantly from year to year. So I'm more confident about promoting Canva. Do the same method in this video for the target product that you are going to promote. To take part in the affiliate program for the product that you are going to promote, please search on Google, type the product name plus affiliate program. If so, you can immediately register or join the partnership with the product. Here, Canva has an affiliate program where I have registered to be a publisher. If you are new, you will be directed to their third-part website. Here they work together with Impact.com, an affiliate network that is quite often used by publishers. There are many well-known brands that work with Impact. You can register directly through Impact. The link is in the description down below. Immediately wrote here I signed in first by entering the username and password. After entering, directly displayed with the dashboard page. Here you can track total impressions or total sales. On the right side, there is a link that I will copy the URL with just a click and it will automatically be copied. Paste the affiliate link that you got into my Excel or Notepad here using the management tool. The affiliate link that we share will be directed to Canva's plans and pricing page. If someone clicks on your link, he will automatically get a 16% discount for annual payments. How to promote your affiliate links. The platform that I use to promote my affiliate link on this video is Quora. For those who don't know what Quora is a question and answer forum where we can ask anything and get answers from experienced people. So, you can use Quora to market your affiliate links through Quora. The first thing you have to prepare is to look for questions that are relevant to the product or service you want to promote. Well, answer those questions in an informative, give them value with your answer. Then, you can add your affiliate link as an additional source that is connected and useful. Furthermore, it is very important to create good and interesting content. So, when you answer questions on Quora, give answers that are clear and has a value for Quora users. Explain clearly and objectively the benefits of the product or service you are promoting. Quora is not only a question and answer forum, but you can post an article to spread your affiliate link. Back again, make sure the article you share has a value for people who read. The strategy one used to spread this affiliate link is to create two accounts, where the first account is for making questions and the second is for answering questions from the first account. Maybe you ask, why not just make it in one account? The answer is just in case you don't get suspended. The next step is to make a list of the following questions with the answers. You can use the GPT chat or through research in the comments column related to your product. For example, what is related to Canva is selling digital products. Look in the comments section of other video and find questions that you can use as material for questions on Quora. Like one of the questions in this comment section that alludes email marketing, you can help answer him and then suggesting that if you want to make an email, you can use the email template in Canva. Here I have put together a list of questions and answers to post on Quora. Let's just go to Quora and post a question, select public, copy-paste, and click add question. I just skip this. After posting, we go to the profile section, and on the question page, our questions are automatically shown up. The next step is to answer the questions we post. Copy and paste the answers we have made here and don't forget to attach your affiliate link. Because here there is no toolbar to add links, but don't worry, there are other steps that can be taken. Go to your word and paste the answer. Then here what I want to do is link the word Canva in my answer, so just drag it, right-click, select the hyperlink and paste your affiliate link. After that, enter Quora again to edit the answer draft and paste the answer that already has an affiliate link. Select the credentials here. I only use the current position, then click Done. Next is optimization or scale up. You can enter the language section at the top right. As you can see, there are several languages that you can add. The more languages you add, the more opportunities you can get. You can use Google Translate to translate your questions and answers. The second is to take advantage of the post feature. You can post articles or questions that relate to the products you sell. Make sure to always be active and consistent in spreading your affiliate link. To find out how I market my affiliate link every day, please share this channel first, and if you have suggestions and input, please write them in the comments section down below, and see you in the next video.